Hello everyone, I'm Ruben and this is Bio in a Bottle's first topic review video for this semester. The AP Biology course begins with topic 1.1, the structure of water and hydrogen bonding. Water is arguably the most important molecule for the existence of life. Life is completely dependent on water. Without water, we wouldn't exist. However, what about water is so unique compared to other molecules? And how does the structure influence its properties? Water is composed of three different atoms, one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atoms. Our oxygen here is very electronegative, which basically means it's going to have a strong pull on the electrons within the water molecule. Because this oxygen is holding the electrons a lot more than the hydrogen atom, this is going to form a partially negative charge on the oxygen side and a partially positive charge at the hydrogen side. Therefore, whenever two different water molecules interact, the partially negative side of the molecule is going to interact with the partially positive side of the molecule, forming what we call a hydrogen bond. This allows water to maintain its fluidity. The structure of water is what gives water its properties. So we're going to talk about a few of water's properties here, some of its most important ones. First, we'll talk about cohesion and adhesion. You might be wondering, what is cohesion and adhesion? Cohesion is the molecule's ability to attract to other molecules of the same type. In this case, it means when water attracts with water. Adhesion, on the other hand, is when one molecule attracts to a different type of molecule. Because of cohesion and adhesion, we have surface tension. Have you ever belly flopped into a pool, causing yourself to get hurt? This is because of water's high surface tension. So basically, hydrogen bonds will be stronger at the surface of water, causing more resistance when an object attempts to break the bonds. This resistance allows insects such as this one to float, and for belly flops to hurt. Another phenomenon caused by water structure is capillary action. Capillary action is influenced by both cohesion and adhesion. An example of capillary action, which is essential to life, is how water moves up plants, in which plants can transport the water throughout the plant. Within the xylem of a plant, cohesion and adhesion allow the water to move up, as adhesion causes the water to be pulled up by the xylem, and cohesion causes the water to be pulled up by other water molecules which are moving up the xylem. Next, we will be talking about water's density as ice. When water turns into ice, water molecules form a crystal structure. This structure will cause the ice to become less dense than liquid water. The difference in density causes the ice to float on top of the water. This is important, as if ice did not remain on the surface of liquid water, bodies of water such as lakes could freeze through, preventing life from existing within the lake. Water also works as an excellent solvent due to its ability to attract to polar molecules. Molecules such as sugar and salt molecules have the ability to dissolve within water due to the fact that they are polar. However, this perfect solvent reaches its limit when it comes to nonpolar substances, such as oil, in which you can see here, the oil is not dissolving within the water. Okay, last one. Water has a high specific heat, which means that it takes a lot for the temperature to change. This is why when you boil something, the pot heats up a lot faster than the water. This keeps living conditions favorable for organisms, as water's temperature remains relatively stable and allows life to thrive. Those are a few of water's tricks, which are essential for the existence of life. Here are some key takeaways from all this, and make sure to pause the video if you want to copy them down. That's it for lesson 1.1. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to stay updated for more topic review videos.